Hello, today we will guide you through how to enhance image quality in Adobe Express. In this walkthrough, you'll learn how to open Adobe Express, access a sample project, select the sample image, open the adjust controls, and fine-tune the image for a cleaner, brighter, more polished result. Start by opening Adobe Express in your browser or the desktop app. If you're prompted to sign in, proceed as you normally do to reach the workspace. Next, click on the sample project. Sample projects are pre-built files that make it easy to practice without setting anything up. Opening one loads a canvas with assets ready to go. Inside the project, click on the sample image. Make sure the image layer is active. You should see a selection outline or handles around the photo. Selecting the right layer ensures that any changes you make affect the photo itself rather than text or background elements. Now click on Adjust. This opens the Adjust panel where all the essential enhancement sliders live. If you don't see it immediately, look for the Image or Edit options and choose Adjust. It typically appears on the right side with controls for light, color, and detail. With the Adjust panel open, begin enhancing the image using small, deliberate moves. Nudge exposure to correct overall brightness, then refine with contrast to add separation between lights and darks. Use highlights to recover bright areas and shadows to bring back detail in darker regions. If the colors feel dull, gently raise saturation for global intensity, or vibrance to lift muted tones while protecting skin and already vivid colors. Temperature warms or cools the scene. A slight move can fix a color cast from indoor or outdoor lighting. For crispness, increase clarity to add midtone punch and texture, and add a touch of sharpen to define edges. Avoid overdoing it, which can introduce halos. If the photo was taken in low light, a bit of noise reduction can smooth grain. Balance it with sharpen to keep important details. Zoom into 100% while adjusting detail sliders, then zoom back out to judge the overall effect. Make incremental changes, and use any available reset or undo options if something goes too far. Many panels also offer a quick before and after view, which is helpful for checking your progress. That's it. You opened Adobe Express, accessed a sample project, selected the sample image, opened Adjust, and enhanced the photo with targeted tweaks. Every image is different, so trust your eyes and refine the sliders until the picture looks natural, clear, and true to the scene.